Welcome to our real estate series. Today, we'll hear Realtor Phyllis Scott and mortgage lender Jerry Stover discuss the essentials of preparing to meet with a lender.
Hey, Jerry, I wanted to touch base with you about preparing buyers before they meet with you. Many of my clients are first-time home buyers and aren't sure what they need to bring or how to get ready. Can you walk me through the essentials so I can help set them up for success?
Absolutely, Phyllis. Preparation is key, and there are several steps buyers can take to make the process smoother. First and foremost, they need to gather their financial documents.
What specific documents should they bring?
Here's a checklist. First, we need proof of income. We need the most recent 30-day pay stubs, W-2s for the last 2 years. All the federal pages are the last 2 years' tax returns. We need the bank statements for the last 2 months, IRA statements or 401k statements for the last 2 months. Then we need a copy of their driver's license, and if they had any bankruptcies, foreclosures, we need any of that documentation.
That's a great list. What about their credit? Should they check that ahead of time?
It is best if they let us do a soft credit pull. Then we can guide them on what they need to pay off or pay down.
That makes sense. What about budgeting? Should they have a clear idea of what they can afford before meeting with you?
It is a great idea to budget ahead of time so we know how much of a payment they can afford. If they don't know, I can guide them on how much debt should go towards a home.
What about saving for a down payment and closing costs?
That's crucial. They should know how much they plan to put down, typically 3 to 20% of the home price. Closing costs usually range from 2 to 5% of the loan amount, so they should budget for that as well. We will go over these numbers in depth with them so they have a clear understanding of how much money they will need. I'll also go over different ways to save to obtain the funds for closing.
Got it. Should they research loan options ahead of time?
No, the internet is full of misleading information. Once I have an application, I go over the loan options they qualify for and what works best for them.
And I assume pre-approval is something they should aim for.
Definitely. A pre-approval letter gives them a clear borrowing limit and makes them a more competitive buyer. I can walk them through the process and explain the benefits.
One last thing, any advice on maintaining financial stability?
Yes, they should avoid making large purchases, opening new credit accounts, or changing jobs before applying for a mortgage. Stability is the key during the approval process.
That's fantastic information, Jerry. I'll make sure my buyers are well prepared before they meet with you. Thanks so much for your time and insight.
You're welcome, Phyllis. I'm always here to help. Let me know if you have any other questions or need assistance with your clients.
Will do. Thanks, Jerry. Have a great day.
You too, Phyllis. Take care.
Thank you for watching. For more information on the mortgage lending process and to get started on your home buying journey, contact real estate agent Phyllis Scott or mortgage lender Jerry Stover today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Realty insights.